Respected viewers, dear friends and students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Umar Sultan and you are watching Umar Academy. Today's lecture is lecture number 5 of General Mathematics lecture series. And in this lecture, I am going to tell you about a very easy and a very important formula of binomials, that is FOIL formula. F-O-I-L, FOIL formula. F is for first, O is for outer, I is for inner, and L is for lost. But dear viewer, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel for watching my upcoming videos. So, going to start our lecture. You look here. Here I have given you two sample of algebraic expression. The first expression is x plus y and the second expression is a plus b. The first term in the first expression is x and the first term in the second expression is a. So x and a are first terms. Similarly, the first term in the first expression is x and the last term in the second expression is b. So x and b are the outer terms. Similarly, the y in the first expression and a in the second expression, they are called inner terms. And in this way, y in the first expression and b in the second expression, they are called lost terms. So for first, we have used f, for outer o, for inner l, for inner i, and for last we have used lost. So for last we have used l. You just look to this FOIL, FOIL. So here FOIL acronym has been made from this. So this is the FOIL formula. Now I am going to tell you some more explanation about this. Here I have shown you by this arrow sign that x and a are the first terms. Similarly, x and b are the outer terms. In this way, y and a are the inner terms and y and b are the last terms. Now I am going to give you an example on this. You look at this example. In this example, I have given you two algebraic expressions. The first algebraic expression is x plus 3 and the second algebraic expression is y plus 9. So x and y are the first term in these two expressions. Similarly, x and 9 are the outer terms in these two expressions. And in this way, 3 and y are the inner terms and 3 and 9 are the last terms. So now I am going to tell you about the FOIL formula and by explaining this example to you. You look here, we have to multiply x of the first expression with y of the second expression. So these are the first terms, and by multiplying x with y, we get xy. Xy will be the first term of our answer. In this way, x in the first expression and 9 in the second expression. By multiplying, and these are the outer terms. By multiplying x with 9, we get 9x, and 9x will be the second term of our answer. Similarly, you look here, 3 in the first expression and y in the second expression. By multiplying 3 with y, we get 3y, and 3y will be the third term of our answer. In this way, 3 and 9. So these are the last terms. The 3 in the first expression and 9 in the second expression. So these are the last term. By multiplying 3 with 9, we get 27. And 27 will be the last term of our answer. Now you look at our answer. xy is the first term, plus 9x is the second term, plus 3y is the third term, and plus 27 is the last and final term. So this is the answer. So here we have applied the FOIL formula, and you can easily solve your binomial by following the formula of FOIL. So this is enough for today's lecture. Till next lecture, it is Khuda Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum.